right, so check it out. We are back with another open box video, and this open box video should be pretty cool, so I don't want to waste a lot of time. Like, subscribe the channel. This is the new intake manifold, and I know I already have a new intake manifold, but this one's bigger, this one's badder, and it looks way better. And we have a big package in from overseas. This is a custom-made intake manifold, not interfold, excuse me, intake manifold for the Integra. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Razor blades out. Let's cut this big bad boy open. Don't want to make sure I don't want to cut up too much. Damn, it is definitely packed well. There we go. There we go. Ah, a little damage right there in the corner. Got me right there. Hopefully it didn't translate in. This intake manifold is made by, I believe it's Prac Works. And I did a little research, talked to my boy with Josh over at Finishing Lines, and a couple other people that had, you know, I've seen follow the channel, asked about it being a reputable product. And they said, yes, they know a couple of people that have it. It produced some power gains, and it is finally here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to cook this open. Prac Works company, reached out to them. I always tell you, reach out to a company, see if they call you back or message you back or DM you back, let you know some type of grounds for communication can be established if you have a problem, let you know a little bit about the company. They reached back out, talked to them, they answered my questions. I put an order in, and here it is. I will be dropping this off to my dog so we can get this put on the B20 B16A VTEC. I like the box so far, like the boxing. Looks very well protected. Gotta like that. Open boxes can be a little bit of proof. Okay, we got some sticker action in here. Got a little ding right here from the protection, but I could feel something right there, so hopefully that's not damaged. We'll put those stickers to the side. Got a nice little package right here. We'll find out what's in that later. Make sure we don't need to get anything else. This is the jewel of it all. Oh my gosh, let's put that right there for a moment. What else do we have in here? We got us some more hardware in here right here, so we'll just put that right there. And I don't think we have anything else in the box. So then we can put the box to the side for now, and let's get what we've come for open. Let's be very careful when we cut this open for a very good reason, and I will show you. Don't want to drop this. This took about 4 weeks to get here. I did have some custom requests for it, which they do allow you to make. So that was really cool. And that takes a little time. And of course, if you add some other changes, that could take time. But this intake manifold is going to give us a cleaner look, a better look. And when I say better, I do mean better. Oh my goodness, they did a good job wrapping it up so far. Hopefully I can wrap it up the same. Right there, I don't like that. I don't like hardware floating around in packages or boxes. I like hardware nicely secure in plastic bags and or boxes, so it's just not floating around, because I've had packages where they float around in shipping and they actually damage things, and this is something you don't want damaged. Trust me. And here it is. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Will you look at that? Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Do you hear me? This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now, a lot of times you see these and the pictures don't do it justice. But more than that, let's look at some things, okay? So now we have this right here, which is for the throttle body. I didn't like that on the Skunk 2, and I was gonna send it off to get chromed or plated, but now I don't have to because it's black. Look at the fuel rail, got that matching. That was an add-in that I did as well. Look at the fuel, look at the base. These are the things that I am going for. Plus, to clean this up, vacuum, look at, I mean, just, oh my goodness, can you look in there? Is there anything, can you see in there? Oh, you know what? Let's get a flashlight to see if we can go ahead and look, peek in there so we can peekaboo. Oh my goodness, let's take a look in there. Can we see in there? I hope you can. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can, but if you can't, there are velocity stacks in there and it does look good. I'm gonna look from this angle. Yeah, there are nice velocity stacks in there. I'll try to do some B-roll. But yes, you got your vent filter right here. This is what you don't see. A lot of people don't post the back side of this intake manifold. But I mean, look at that. All your connections, nicely screws and hardware. I mean, this thing is ultimately beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Good Lord Almighty. Oh my goodness. So I believe that the hardware that we just finished finding right here goes on the back part of this fuel rail. Now I did go ahead and get the fuel lines, fuel pressure regulator, fuel filter, all of that's been upgraded and new to accommodate for what this will allow us to do. But I mean, I am in awe of this intake manifold. I really am. Now, what I will do is I'll try to find a vent filter like this in black. I'm gonna definitely try to find that in black. I don't like that they use red. I really wish they could have used black. They could have found a vent filter with a black top, black base, black or gray type of filter lining, and that would have been even better. So I will be doing that myself to find that. I think that's something Prackworks, if you ever think about it, it's carbon. We don't like that. That red has got to go. You know, you definitely want to go ahead and get some type of matching right there with the carbon. So that's, if I had to ding it, I'd ding it on that. Now, of course, I could come back here with MPC hardware, but I'm not. I think it's well constructed and it looks damn awesome. So listen, that is it. I mean, this, if you don't like this, I mean, if you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you. I really seriously don't know what to tell you. I am so excited to get this into the B series. This is how it's going to be looking when it's in the B series. Look at that. That is going to be phenomenal. And I do mean phenomenal. So this is a short video. I hope you like what you see. You do have some vacuum lines here. Whether you're going to use those or not, be up for your technician or your install, and they can go ahead and plug those nicely. And of course, like I said, you have another back here probably for your one of your sensors, and of course you'll run your lines also. We're not going to have the fuel pressure regulator up top anymore. We're not going to have the fuel gauge up there anymore. It's really going to clean that area up. And I don't know if the gold will be completely matched, but that's just how the cookie rolls sometime with this anodized situation. And I'm not going to break my neck to disassemble all of this to then send it out to get re-anodized and back in. It's just going to have to be what it is, honestly. And I'm going to live with it because I am ultimately excited about this, man. So let me know what you think about in the comment section. If you got any questions, especially when you see this installed, what I thought about the install and everything else, definitely hit me up. And yeah, that's the video. We're out. There's not much to say. This is beautiful. I'm finna spend some time with this. You spend some time watching more videos. Peace.
You kinda like Face at the end of the flick. The world was yours and you died on the shit. Wolfpack gang all over this bitch. Taking over YouTube, running that shit.